Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys fashion haul as well as makeup haul. So recently I bought some items from Fashion Nova, some clothing items and some shoes, and also some makeup items from Morphe. तो मैं आप लोगों के साथ ये haul share करना चाहती थी. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with the Fashion Nova haul first. So Fashion Nova is a website जहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ you can find it on that website from jeans, tops, shoes. You can buy dresses. You can buy jewelry, bags, everything you can buy from their website. And for so long I wanted to try out Fashion Nova website. So I bought 3 tops from Fashion Nova, 2 jeans and some shoes as well. So first I'm going to show you guys the tops. So tops which I've ordered are off-shoulder tops. तो तीनों tops जो हैं वो off-shoulder ही हैं क्योंकि lately I've been really loving off-shoulder tops क्योंकि मेरे जो shoulders हैं वो थोड़े से broad हैं and I love wearing off-shoulder tops because they are gonna make you look really thin. So that's a tip. So before showing you the tops, the thing which I didn't like about Fashion Nova is that they don't have free returns and free exchanges. So अगर आप कुछ return कराना चाहते हैं तो you have to pay for shipping. और actually I've ordered from the States, so US से Australia तक I've actually paid for extra shipping as well. और exchanges नहीं है, they don't do exchanges, so they'll give you credit so you can buy online again. So that's the thing. And also one more thing, actually मैंने गलती से जो tops के sizes हैं वो एक size मैंने गलती से बड़ा मंगवा लिया था. So I actually don't wanna return it because again from US to from Australia to US again I have to pay for shipping and it's a lot. So I just thought let me go ahead and don't do it. So I'll wear it. So just ignore अगर ये top थोड़ी सी loose लगे आपको तो just ignore this. So this is the thing which I didn't like about Fashion Nova. Otherwise I love the quality actually. So the first top which I've ordered is this one. This is the again as I said I'm sorry I'm just looking on the screen. So again as I said it's the off shoulder top. So as you can see थोड़ी सी लूज लग रही है. तो मैंने actually we stayed in the States for 5 years. तो तब I used to wear small size और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मैं medium size पहनती हूँ. Sometimes it's like small depending upon the brand. तो I just got confused and I ordered by mistake medium and it's pretty large on me. But that's okay again. As I said, I can't return it. So this is how it looks like. It's a normal black and white striped top. So it has a little bit of sleeves as well. So it's kind of a crop top. बहुत लंबी नहीं है ये. So it's kind of a crop top. और quality wise it's decent quality क्योंकि price इसकी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's actually here it's written it's $14.99 but website पे actually it was on a discount for $10 but Australia का मुझे if I convert it into Australian dollars it's actually $14.99 only. So this is how it looks like. It's the first blouse or top which I got from Fashion Nova. So let me just show you guys how it looks like on me. So now the second top which I got is again off shoulder. As I said, I've ordered off shoulders. So this is like this yellow mustard. It's looking really bright on screen, but it's more like a mustard kind of a color. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's really big. This is the only top which is like really big on me, and it has this frill on front like this, and it has these threaded pineapples kind of thing going on all over. And ये थोड़ी सी लंबी है उससे और इसकी sleeves भी it has sleeves as well और इसकी sleeves भी काफी लंबी हैं. So this is how it looks like. So this is the top, second top which I've ordered from Fashion Nova. Now let me just show you guys how it looks like on me. Now the last top which I've ordered from Fashion Nova is again off shoulder top. So this is a lace off shoulder top as you can see. और मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा यही वाली पसंद आई थी. But again it's like little loose on me. But that's okay. And the thing which I really love about this is it's that क्योंकि lace काफी see through होता है, so it has this kind of inner inside half of the inner, it's not like full, so you can wear it as a crop top and it's gonna look really pretty. You can wear it with high-waisted like pencil skirts or high-waisted jeans, and it's gonna look really pretty. And color wise, I really like the color of this. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's really pretty. So now let me just show you guys how it looks like on me. Now let's move on to the jeans. So I've ordered 2 jeans from Fashion Nova website. So first I've ordered these blue jeans. So again, जब आप भी order करें jeans specially, so take your measurements और उस हिसाब से आप check कर सकते हो on size chart. तो मैंने again by mistake I've ordered bigger jeans, bigger size, because I used to wear size in between size 6 and size 8 जब हम लोग US में थे, और यहाँ पे I'm in between size 8 and size 9. So I've ordered size 9 क्योंकि when I took my measurements, so according to that, क्योंकि आपको waist की measurements लेनी है, आपको hips की measurements लेनी है, so according to that मैंने size 9 order कर दिया, but it's really not really, but it's little bit loose on me from the waist and from here, but that's okay. Again, I can't return it. So it looks like this. So it's like normal ripped jeans. I really love ripped jeans. So it's like starting from the hip and it's till, I think, from till your knees, I guess. So this is how it looks like. It's like sky blue kind of a color. I love the quality. It's very stretchy, and as you can see, it's very stretchable. So this is really good, but it's like not really loose on me, but still again the size is slightly big on me. So this is the jeans which I've ordered from Fashion Nova. So now let me just show you guys how it looks like on me. Now the next thing जो मैंने order की थी is these black jeans kind of leggings. You can say jeggings like type, because यहाँ पे ये it looks like jeans, but material में it's very soft like leggings. So it's very stretchable. So ये बहुत अच्छे से fit आ गई क्योंकि ये size medium है. So ये बहुत अच्छे से fit आ गई थी. So again मैं सारे links जो हैं सारी clothes के वो मैं mention कर दूंगी नीचे description box में. So it looks like this. Again very stretchable. So it's like pure jet black color, क्योंकि मैं बहुत देर से black color की jeans try करना चाहती थी. So I just ordered these black leggings just to see the quality. और बहुत ज़्यादा expensive भी नहीं है again. So this is how it looks like. So these are the like leggings I've ordered from Fashion Nova as well. So now let me just show you guys how it looks like on me. Now let's move on to these shoes. So I've ordered 3 pairs of shoes from Fashion Nova. So the first one looks like this. So ये flats मैंने order करी थी. So मैं mostly flats ही पहनती हूँ क्योंकि with a kid you can't, like you have to run behind him. So usually मैं prefer करती हूँ flats, और बहुत ही अच्छी quality है इनकी. मैंने एक बार भी अभी पहने नहीं है. So बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी है इनकी, एंड दे आर वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड बहुत ही कुशनी है. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा कुशन है यहाँ पे इनको, और बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी वाइज ऑल्सो दे आर वेरी गुड. और यू कैन जस्ट टाई दिस ऑन योर लेग एज वेल. So I really like the design, and I've ordered this color, this beige kind of color, क्योंकि usually beige color सबके साथ चला जाता है, और I really love this kind of light, kind of neutral color. So this is the first pair which I've ordered from Fashion Nova. Now the next pair which I got from Fashion Nova are these block heels. So मुझे ये स्टाइल बहुत ही पसंद आया क्योंकि आप बहुत ही इजीली इसमें वॉक कर सकते हैं और बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल होती हैं ब्लॉक हील्स. So बहुत ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ हील्स एज यू कैन सी. So they are very flat and big from the back. Looks like this, and front भी बहुत अच्छा डिजाइन है. Again I've ordered black क्योंकि black सबके साथ चला जाता है, और you don't have to think about to match the shoe color. So that's why I ordered a black pair. So this is how it looks like, as you can see. Now the last pair which I've ordered are my favorite ones. So this is how it looks like. These are pencil heels, belly kind of a thing, and they have like these studs all over. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी है इनकी. सो अगेन मैं प्राइस वगैरह लिंक्स वगैरह सब मेंशन कर दूंगी नीचे स्क्रीन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो आप जरूर चेक कर लें. और मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आई है. और ये बिल्कुल भी शाइनी ब्लैक नहीं है. एंड आई रियली लव दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइक डल मैट काइंड ऑफ ब्लैक कलर. और आप बहुत ही सारी ड्रेसेस के साथ पहन सकते हैं. एंड आई रियली लव द हील एज वेल. बहुत कंफर्टेबल है क्योंकि इट हैज दिस कुशन एज वेल इनसाइड. सो बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है. बट ऑब्वियसली बहुत देर तक आप यू कांट वेयर दीज पेंसिल हील्स. सो दिस इज हाउ दे लुक लाइक. रियली प्रिटी. So that was the Fashion Nova haul. So यही सारी चीजें मैंने Fashion Nova से ऑर्डर करी हैं. Again, I'm going to mention all the links of all of these items in the description box. So now let's move on to the makeup haul. तो मैंने कुछ चीजें मंगवाई थी from Morphe. So first I've ordered this blushing babes palette from Morphe. So it's a blush palette. और मुझे Morphe की it's a new packaging and I really love the new packaging of Morphe. So this is how it looks like. Let me just open it and show you guys. So these are all the colors. I think the names are written here. So this is like really good. So बहुत ही अच्छे colors हैं, as you can see, especially this middle one. बहुत ही pigmented है. और I really wanted to try out the blushes. मैंने कभी Morphe के blushes try नहीं किए थे, so I really wanted to try out their blushes. So this is how they look. Really pretty. I'm sorry, again I'm looking on the screen just to see how the color looks like. So this is the first palette from Morphe which I got. So let me just swatch these shades for you very quickly. So this is the first, second and third blush. Can you guys see? The center one is little lighter, so let me just swatch it again. So you can definitely build up the coverage, as you can see. So these are the three blushes. So जो ये वाला है इसमें थोड़ी सी Shimaza, it's more like a satin finish kind of blush, and these two are matte blushes. So this is the first blush palette which I got from Morphe, and these are the colors. Now the second palette which I got from Morphe is this Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. So this is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. It's from their Vault collection. So let me just open this. So prices वगैरह मैं सब mention कर दूंगी screen पे as well as in the description box. So let me just show you guys. So this is, oh my god. So this is how the colors look like. Really beautiful. तो मुझे ये वाली पैलेट सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी थी क्योंकि I really wanted to try out this olive green color. तो इसलिए मुझे ये वाली पैलेट बहुत पसंद आई थी. और बाकी सारी जो पैलेट्स थी, most of the colors मेरे पास हैं, तो that's why I ordered this palette. So I really wanted to try out this color as well as this one. It's called Classified, and this green one is called Top Secret. So let me just swatch few shades for you. So let me just swatch one matte color and one of this shimmer color. So as you can see, they are very pigmented. So this is how the colors look like. तो मैट जो आई शेड है वो थोड़ा सा मुझे पैची लग रहा है. So we'll see. I'm gonna try out these palettes like very soon in upcoming videos. So these are one matte color eyeshadow and one this shimmer kind of eyeshadow from this palette. तो अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं full review करूँ about this palette, do let me know in the comment section. So if you guys are interested, तो मैं एक detail I can do a detail like review about this palette as well. So this is what I've ordered from Morphe. Again, this is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So all the names are here. So this is the second palette which I've ordered from Morphe, and the third palette which I ordered is this new Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. So I saw this on their website and I really wanted to try out this new palette. It's so beautiful. Let me just show you guys. So again, I love the new Morphe packaging. So मैं आपको open करके दिखाती हूँ. Oh my god, it has so many colors. Can you guys see? Okay, wait, let me just do like that. So can you guys see how beautiful this palette is? My god, I love the color selection in this palette. So it has some matte eyeshadows, some shimmer eyeshadows, and this eyeshadow is really pretty, and also these purple eyeshadows. So आपको इसमें काफ़ी सारे variety मिल जाएगी colors की, like you can do some green looks with this palette, some browns, and also कुछ आपको अगर pinkish सा कुछ eye makeup करना, you can create that also. Some orange eyeshadows are there, purple eyeshadows are there, so you're getting lot of different eyeshadows in one palette. Again आपको matte eyeshadows भी मिल रहे हैं इसमें, so very good and affordable palette as well. Again I'm going to mention the price in the description box or on the screen somewhere. So this is how it looks like. Again do let me know अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं इस palette की भी detail review करूँ about this palette. This is the 35M palette. It's a pretty new palette. So I think it's launched in September itself. तो आप ज़रूर मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए if you're interested in watching a detailed review about this palette as well. So this is what I got from Morphe. So these 3 palettes from Morphe. मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं मंगवाई Morphe से. I just wanted to try out these new palettes. So यही सारी चीज़ें मैंने ऑर्डर की थी फ्रॉम फैशन नोवा एंड फ्रॉम Morphe. सो आई रियली होप आप लोगों को ये हॉल वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा इस वीडियो को और मुझे कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा. एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एज वेल. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय गाइज, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. टेक केयर.